Alright, this is my 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8. I've had this for about 90 days now. I'm coming out of a 2013 Dodge Challenger, exact same color. It was also an SRT8, but I found driving that one that for day-to-day driving I really didn't like the heavy clutch. So I ended up training for an almost identical one that has the automatic transmission. And I know a lot of people will hate on that, and that's fine, but this is what I wanted to drive every day, and I didn't want to get home with a sore left leg. So those clutches are pretty heavy, and putting this aside, this is what I went with. It's pretty dirty right now because car washes are closed, and I don't have any car wash solution at home. I went out to wash it, lo and behold, it was gone, and I didn't feel like going to AutoZone to pick up another bottle. They should open up here in about a week, and I'll send it through the car wash a couple of times. I don't have many mods. It has a cold air intake, has straight pipes. I'm kind of on the fence about the straight pipes. Like I said, daily drivability was a big concern of mine, and it's pretty damn loud, so you'll probably hear that in the drive, but I'll probably end up getting an aftermarket exhaust just to tone down the drone a little bit. But man, it's nice when you rip on it. I'm sure it wakes up babies in cars and neighbors and all kinds of stuff. It's really great for that. Alright, so the main reason I'm making this video is because I just attached my helmet cam. Because of the COVID stuff, we all had to buy helmets. We couldn't use the track rental. And I have a track event on May 22nd, and I want to see how this helmet cam works out. Seems kind of loose right now, and I'm a little worried that all it's going to pick up is rear view mirror because of its location. But given what I've seen from other POV drives, hopefully it won't do that. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna look like a goober riding around town with my racing helmet on, but that's the price you gotta pay to test your equipment. And I don't want to go through a track day, get 20-minute session in, and then find out my camera didn't work. Now I'm gonna do a short lap around my neighborhood. I'll rip on it a couple of times, but if you're watching to see me do 180 like some of these guys in the news are doing, that ain't gonna be me. see from my videos that I've had this car to track once already with video, and I had a windshield mounted camera at the time, but watching a lot of other YouTube videos, I felt like I enjoyed the helmet cam a lot better. There's a really popular video of a guy in a C6 ZR1 ripping around Coda, and he has a helmet cam, and it's probably my favorite track video on YouTube. So, to be perfectly honest, I'm trying to emulate his style. I'd love to have a multiple car camera setup with rear-facing cameras and multiple fixed cameras and a helmet cam like I've seen some people do, but I'm just not into the YouTube thing that much. I kind of like to just make videos to watch back myself. It's kind of like a, a memory saver for me. But if other people watch it and enjoy it, then that's cool too. Man, broken down Land Rover, who'd have guessed? Time right now is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm making this video. I just got off of work. That means a lot of other people just got off of work. They're out for their exercise, riding bikes like you saw back there, walking, running. And much as I love my car, I don't want to be a nuisance to everyone. So try to be cool, riding around, not ripping it past people. With the straight pipes on, I'm actually a little self-conscious about just passing people on a 2-lane, because you can hear right now it's not extremely loud. Here's a little bit of drone, especially when you close the windows. But when you go wide open throttle when you're passing a guy, and it's just a guy in an Outback or something, you know he's pissed off. And honestly, all you're doing is passing the guy. You might get up to 80 or 90 to, facilitate the pass, but nothing crazy. Any other car, if you did it in a Tesla, you wouldn't even notice you're passing. But you do it in a straight pipe Hemi, and you're gonna have a highway patrol report from some old lady who's pooped her pants. radar detector has saved me. I've had it for about 6 months, and it's probably saved me about once a month. But man, is it good at finding those speed limit signs. There's a speed limit, one of those digital "you're going this fast" signs up here about half mile. It's beeping at right now. POV drive. Hope it leads to some good footage on my track day on the 22nd.